With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
So we have a question is that the three balls A and B and C having mass ma is equals to the mc, that is equals to the 4mb, are placed on a smooth horizontal surface. Ball B is collide with C with an initial velocity v shown in the figure. Find the total numbers of collision between the balls, all the collision. Okay, so we find out all many times of collision in present in this figure. So firstly, when B moves towards C, so first collision is between B and C, B and C. The first collision okay, first collision between B and C. Okay, I will change my pen. B and C. A is here. B collide with C. Okay, collide, collision. Okay, so first collision in B and C. Okay, after the collision, V and C is the speed of balls. Okay, that is equals to the mb minus mc, mb plus mc, okay, into v, and velocity for C, that is 2mb into mb plus mc into v. We know that mc, that is equals to the 4mv. It means this is equation for the velocity for ball B and velocity for ball C. It means mass of C ball is greater than mass of B ball. Okay, from the above equation we can say that mass of C has the negative sign, so after the collision ball B will move in opposite direction between the ball A. Ball B makes another collision with ball A, so number of collision made by ball B is 2. Okay, so number of collision ball B by is 2, because we know that B having negative velocity, negative sign. Okay, so the ball after the hitting the ball C, that after the ball hitting the C, okay, this is C, and ball hit B to see this collision. After the collision, ball back move and hit the ball A, B, so ball B is moving 2 times with collide. Okay, so answer of this question is 2.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.